Welcome. Today we'll be looking at geometry formulas. We'll explore how to calculate the area of some basic shapes. These are shapes you see every day, from books to rooftops. Let's go. A parallelogram is like a tilted rectangle having two pairs of parallel sides. The area is simply where b is the base, and h is the height. Just multiply the base by the height, and that's your area. The triangle. It's just half of a rectangle, so the formula makes sense. You take the base, multiply by the height, then divide by 2. That gives you the space inside any triangle. A trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides, looking just like a ramp. To find the area, you add the two bases, multiply by the height, then divide by 2. This formula works even if the sides aren't equal. Circle. Everyone loves circles, and their area formula is simple. Take the radius, square it, and multiply by pi. That's the full space inside the circle. A rhombus or a kite uses diagonals to find area. Multiply the diagonals, divide by 2, and done. For shapes with equal sides and angles, like hexagons or octagons, use is the apothem, the line from center to a side. P is the perimeter. This formula gives the total enclosed area. Last in this episode, think of a box, that's a rectangular prism. Volume is while surface area is, we add the areas of all 6 faces, 3 unique pairs. For any other prism, like a hexagonal one, volume is, which is base area x height. While surface area is, where P is the perimeter of the base, and B is its area. Cylinder is like a stretched circle. Volume is, and surface area. The sides roll around, and the top and bottom are circles. Great job! Next time, we'll handle cones, pyramids, and spheres. See you in the next one.